Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson. Reading for the role of Taylor. Lewis, team, thanks so much for considering me. Have a lot of fun with this one. Thanks. Just an idea of what the character might look like. Got some aviators, AirPods. Got an Nalgene somewhere, but honestly, this is all I could find. Cheers. Look, buddy. Seems to me I've got something you need. Now, the good news for you is so do you. And I'm willing to talk it through with you. See if we can't come to an agreeable arrangement. So, if you're gonna play nice, maybe you can start by taking off that little watch of yours. I'll even let you keep the canteen. If you're gonna be a stick in the mud about it, then I'm gonna keep making my way down the trail. And you can see how long you make it without any H2O.